Ahoy, it's Alicia back with you on board Oceania Insignia, and I am staying in a penthouse cabin. It is number 8051. Let's take a look inside. I do love staying in a penthouse cabin on board Oceania purely for the additional space that you get. As you can see, it's a cabin and a half. The only drawback on this particular ship is it is an R class, and that means in the penthouses you get a rather small bathroom compared to their O class ships. Now look, there is a number of drawers, a lot of storage in here, but it just does feel very small. We have some shelving behind the mirrors on both sides. And then under here, the shower is a good size, and they do give you these great bath sheets as well as regular bath towels, and you do have the handheld and the rain head shower. But it just doesn't hit like the O class penthouse bathroom. There is also a blue light you can just see there, so you don't have to switch it on in the middle of the night if you do need to go to the bathroom. There's a great floor-to-ceiling mirror there for you. A good amount of storage. Lots of hanging space. Up the top you can put storage, and down below, shoes. They do give you these great bathrobes as well. And some additional drawers here. Some hanging, a safe, and then quite deep drawers down here. They do have the pashminas. Hidden them over there, the hairdryer and the shoehorn. If we take a look at the power plugs, you've got 2 US and 1 European. You've got USBs and another European there. Some nice deep shelves. 3 of those, as well as a smaller one here. Now every afternoon you do get canapes, so you just put your order in and your butler will bring them. I tend to forget, so we ask the butler just to bring us something. Anything, we don't mind. And then also there's the room service breakfast card. If you are enjoying this video, please give us a like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and share it with anyone you think would enjoy sailing on Oceania Insignia. There is a refrigerator. Not particularly cold, but cool. Then they do give you these reusable water bottles and also the water in your room. They've got some lovely glassware. Just down on this side, we have magazine rack and a table and chairs, big TV, a nice sofa. And then let's take a look underneath the bed at the storage. I mean, it's a very comfy bed. So let's take a look under the bed. Now I did need to slide my suitcase open from around the side there. It wasn't particularly high. And then if we have a look at what we've got by the bedside, it's European and USB, a reading light, a lamp, And then you've also got some drawer space under here. Taking a look out on the balcony as well. There is a lock. And 2 chairs and a table. It's quite nice to have cappuccinos or have your room service breakfast out here. And here we are in St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Oceania is actually getting rid of these R-class ships, so this is probably the one and only time I will be sailing on Oceania Insignia. So this is our penthouse suite on board Oceania Insignia. If you want to check out more of our videos, just click here. Thanks so much for watching and happy cruising.